Hey guys, and welcome back to Dueling DIY Guest Room Gauntlet, another vlog update and the final vlog update for you guys. I'm Sarah from Ugly Duckling House, and if you've been following along for the last few months, then you've been following a guest room makeover. In case you're not familiar with Dueling DIY, it's a simple concept where I decide after a while of struggling to make over a certain room that I reach out to a blog friend of mine and see if they're redoing the same room. And if they are, I challenge them to update ourselves and our readers every week or every other week until the job is done. It's a way to talk a lot of smack, it's a way to have a lot of fun, but ultimately what it does is motivate each other to get the room done faster. Or at least that's what happens for me, and it works out great. I want to apologize to those of you who thought that this post was going to be going live on Wednesday. That was the plan. But unfortunately, allergies and my birthday took priority, and so now I'm updating you guys today. If you guys have been following my challenger and co-host, Charlotte from @Charlotte's House, she is already finished with her guest bedroom, which, let's face it, I knew was going to happen anyway because her room is much smaller and she just had fewer projects to do, which is great for her, and I'm so pleased that she got her room done. That is the point of the whole Dueling DIY thing, but I wish that I'd gotten a little bit more done too. Still, in comparison, I think that I've gotten quite a bit done, even though I still have a little bit more to do to call this room finished. I've gotten curtains up. Those were the first curtains ever put into any room in my house ever. I got picture ledges up. I got new paint on the walls. I got the TV mounted, along with a special place for the remote so that guests always know where the remotes are in this room when they stay over. This room is also going to double as an office, so we needed to try and maximize floor space for that dual purpose. And I chose to install a Murphy bed so that this room isn't exclusively used for a bedroom. That project did take a considerable amount of time, but I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And since the last update, I have painted it and begun working on the artwork that's going to go on top of it. You guys have heard me refer to the artwork in the past, but let me break that down for you just in case. Basically, every time I've ever looked through Google or Pinterest or anything like that looking for Murphy bed inspiration, I've run into a series. As with any project, I go looking on Google for Pinterest and stuff for inspiration to see what kind of ideas are already out there. And for me, unfortunately, Murphy beds seem to be one of the more boring blank slates of the makeover world. I like the concept of a Murphy bed, but anytime I've ever seen an image of them, at least when they're folded up, which is going to be the majority of the time in this room, they look rather flat and boring. There's no visual interest. I mean, some people have dressed it up a little bit with things like molding, but I wanted something more. I haven't quite installed it yet, but I'm really hoping it's going to work. I have created a concept where I'm hiding the handles for the Murphy bed in order to pull it out from the wall in the artwork itself. So when you're in the room, it looks like art and you don't even know that a Murphy bed's behind it, or at least it's not as boring when you look in the room. In addition to the cabinetry and built-in shelves that need to be done, I am also building 2 custom pieces of furniture. One piece will be a desk that disguises itself as another piece of furniture, so when this room is used as a guest room, it still fits the room. The second piece is going to be this awesome custom build where I have some old vintage speakers and it's going to serve as an entertainment area. Be sure you sign up for my woodworking plans library on my blog because when those reveals happen, I'm going to share the plans there. So that's going to be it for this update and the final entry in the Dueling DIY Guest Room Gauntlet vlog series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching along, and there's more projects to come. Don't forget to head over to my friend Charlotte from @Charlotte's House on her channel to see her big room reveal. Unfortunately, my time's going to be split over the next month or so as I finish some outdoor projects that are on a deadline, and because it's summer, I've got to make the most of those outdoor hours. But I do intend on having a few breaks every now and then and coming back to the guest bedroom to make more progress. So do stay tuned for all of those things because there's still more builds to be made. I've been doing some editing over the last couple of days, and there should be a new woodworking project early next week. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, make sure you get notified for new videos as they go live. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.